Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how the Spark of Romance event works in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This event has just been released in Heartopia and I'm going to show you the event details. Okay, basically guys, you need to link with your friend to get the signal. But before it, you need to go to the totem to take your role. I've already claimed my role and I got Wolfie, and we need to link with another role to get the link signal. And to link with another role, you can go to the event menu and click on link right here and ask your friend to click on this link icon. Okay, ask your friend or another DG member, and after that you will obtain link signal. Okay, done guys, and I'm going to go back to the event menu to claim the link signal. Okay, right here I've just obtained the circular link signal, and then you can use the link signal to claim special rewards from this event. You will get free action and also the crossbody bag. Okay, then you can link your role with another role daily. You just need to go to the totem, claim your role, and link with another role to get the link signal. And once you obtain the link signal, you can use it to claim special rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Spark of Romance event in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!